ane dia wo sa wo saka ni nyina no eno nso betimi aba so wonim sanu a wo mo Manchester ba so ama Manchester Nigeria team no ye de kan ya tutwa ana no pese goalkeeper na eno a wono nso na ru ama Manchester side ye fa no say Nigeria no aye chese goalkeeper na ne din enso ade Stanley and Wabali anopai no ye de report about say ye say ne papa enso ato ne papa no we nya media a chese wo ne ye ho sem ye pa eno na fa branch man say Wabali aso ye ade ba eno ye okotemu ama chese mo game against Benin no mo enso about one or draw no mo enano pay no report to Chester Stanley in Wabali enso anya lusone ba broma say we rama Nigeria camp omo nyina no wo mo condolences and Chester nioma eno so aka ene messages I was saying no e hye ni nkra nyina so ba ho nsem no ye de am ye tefuma me coach na ye fa Augustine Eguavon on sano pay me de betu twa say Nigeria tinam sa so far coach so mafa after say by 2013 owura ye fa so Steph Keshi eje aye AFCON ya Nigeria tim nyina no am say manager bia no wa pa wo ye adwuma enso ade ya che owura fa no sa aye Augustine Eguavon sa asom na no medical ya to no man person numbers no enso akasa edemano esa say Eguavon about 25 matches wonon awini makoma 16 wa draw makoma enum and wanya defeat ni makoma 4 na chese Eguavon adaso a wono so aye adwuma de no Augustine Eguavon omo game shark fa no ma me say you want to just say love on Nigeria team na do say womo abetimi ya show bia obabia wo be say wo to born ekọ whether say be omo bo home and also omo ba way say be a game no no transfer owura no say Nigeria what it takes as I say womo so abetimi ya show bia on any day on any time no womo so abetimi ya dinkunum yentie ma Nigeria Super Green Eagles omo coach ya fa no say Eguavon Augustine and some attitude.
Coming to this game, we haven't lost again. I wanted to maintain that and try to win the game here. Worst case scenario, Sompa we want to qualify without losing the game. And we knew we are capable of, we have all the qualities, we have whatever it takes to beat anybody, any day, any time. Then it was a bit more under pressure. But we didn't look at that, having qualified and we'll come back here and lie down. No. Nigeria is a team that is respected. Almost won the AFCON last time, so we have to try to do it, maintain that standard.
Yes, and I am some coach at France, Augustine Eguavon, Yadene excepts Emma Natchez, and I yakra after a boy, and some our chess Ivory Coast Rum, our chess Yamuso, Chronum, Elconi, Ablenum, and Rum Yabetram Quantare, Ayabodano, so was El Cojo Chromum and Chesate, Achesa Kakabi, Nigeria, Timono, Womoso Agenti, the other one can answer among four respected man Nigeria, Motomaro was so, and to be on the show. Woman bet me show anytime on any day. I be a match because we are in Nigeria and some bet me a segment and I pay many battle can say what broke Cobas and one at Joe Paraguay from a go down. Woman bet you 2-1 at Argentina. Leo Messi also no and some a referee no caution as a captain. I might be Celestino of Argentina and Leo Messi at the referee 1 in England. Yes, a referee catch referee Samasa. We are the Pabonini Pawonia Bamakra. Want to be found from Elson take a decision. Nina say game about them say not paragraph for Chan Wamuka. I just want power to Sompa, Kakrebi no more to I just am Alio Messi and Drew not just some fools as a game no a Yaje reference of them Saminoka say we run our Vinicius Junior and some Asway after and one at Joe one of some Nasa pros on penalty Nanka pros bet me game no yes Vinicius also a could do referee time reporter and the match in Mubanasa, Vinicius, I catch her no, na I attempted because Obi catches Coconut Crenebia or the Abia, just a word, Emoa, a Sabiano, Obi catches Sabia or Asa, not just a referee, father and Congosha, ass, not just a attempted pa, I just said in Cacrano, and some from Mubanamum, as to Sabia referee, our disagree game, no, one of some Arabashan report to him, and I said referee and French report to me. And no update about Osano Pano, no make us almost Nasa Rafinha to me free kick question here. And you didn't a penalty bar. Mama Rafinha no komana ma Vinicius no kopoya wono som say na enwa game na ba so ase anim ye di can discuss it di unkomo enwa kwa meka cho se nipa ye expect be say be 12 ekosi be say 13,000 no enwa omosem a little over 16,000 and a buy and aye France and Israel wo game na aye 16,611 and no buy na nipa kakra bi okra no buy na bra na nya grow and no police on am fa na ho so and to kwa pai ama chese stance ni mum ama ne yen chamfa a chese we moment na bo Israel so national anthem na ba hwe o na chese wo mo bo tutu ebu aya Israel national anthem ni nyina no and some moment we na mum nipa kakra bi buy ma time to kwa no so pai was stance ni mo jaminya no say nipa 10 against one masa Israel for those ya mema wo mu bua kwana ma tese nyame nko a ka dru ba bi na fe emanom mo dwane emama ni bi dwane mo na America a tese ntokwa eno so aso a was stance ni mo no na anya ntowa ketwa kra na ukobusa France wona womu say Israel microphone womu hooded na tesatare na attack so hood onsa asebia wo sha na watweniti no enso mbi akata oti selebe a wo bi shedan hu ye no se no bi and now supporters adama Israel for no womu so Asherba stadium no to mo ba ni nyina no ye for no ready to fight omo bom nim say ye dan a womu hu ahyi omo hu otan ebe pai into my ready sir womu so mba kontokwa amasane o ma ni nyina no eno so so na Jaminya na asom now and say and none of pa make us yes ni pot 2 and to kwa pa ya ni pot 10 ache France ni ba ko no yes police watch ni pot 2 pe woman ara just for now woman our police custody just no and some kakra frimu and some not ever na UEFA for say woman sanction aye France and UEFA na mo anasa omni Israel man no but the me say can say anya sanction bia so matches bina won bonafide kwasi ni atemeti seri nyina no ebe sika adem ana o mantimi an control wo supporters into what Serbia ebe dru yes UEFA fine France man no UEFA fine ebe Israel e man enyo wo sense any sense ameme gada no and some say aye fine and ebe ko and some ade masafo ni nyina wa bra no and some aye update ebe on some no ye de amiete for Spain ame no la roja for no Jaminya so mo ko Euro Cup on say the moment abako tournament na utim eba kwa kwacheno yana bibia so kata nyamum sa wuko no antimi ankwache na akwache nim kwase ba ho ana mafo be start sa wo mu kom no ma fifi mu ahona bo sa mu kwa mu kodi sika sei ana muto we sei na muto we sei na yese so mu ko aye euros no nacho ana no nya be ka so sei wo ko Saudi na no ya coach no anfre no but ofre omo a omo ko ji euros ono so kan omo ko je but manfre no report am say ka enesa coach no ono nacho wo mu nya problem e wo euros mu enti manager no boy no relationship no asai eno ye one out of anyone ajo na report am say kan say wa bros paid wo mo so aguso mo kam ni nyina no make say omo central defenders no ba ko ay American report ono ani Nico Martinez omo me no yeso omo so am say mo asai ama chese mo asai no relationship ano so adom ntamtumu a mo be gina central defense no omo ko wo mo tia do anwoma so a chese ni nyina no enso my update aba uko Portugal wo mo training session enso ba so na players no plano mo propra esanso Diogo Jota yeriso no wo Pradada Gonzalo Inácio so pull out abanta one say Mateus Nunes and afa Paulinha Enwaria and aba so Paulinha enso pull out no mo Portugal team no wo mo ya just 1 point no mo dey qualify the quarter final enso adama ayadwuma dey fan say Nations League achese no enso aba cross na me no kasai wo mo game against Poland Ebasono Metisa Roberto Martinez say wey a chance a opportunity and other players say woman so ebenya bia bo eno so nche say bia wo kwakwa diagwa so mo kwakwa underestimate e bia Poland e man say e bia try to dabi e say players no benya akwanya de ne mom no wo giri e ba say game so mo kom ye serebe a and you man so no betim yakokama and some ade ma team no ameno kasa no and some aye update ba fei yenko aye dwumadi no and some across our Italy wonim say me no kasa bonte na ye follow sa Kwaraskia adeba ko ye Napoli ye pan so boy no we be extended a contract ade man Napoli our Diego Armando Maradona stadium ho na report I mean say omo project no just say omo sign omo man offer boy in camp I reject Napoli for say we man kwakwa revise say omo offer no mo babiem aha munkasam yentia we mo say omo man contract renewal until 2029 na sikano amatum ekosai we mo say 5 million euros ano bonuses enkan na just bonuses enyamai boy na entourage say am say maso den yes say enye 8 million euros bama montoma dwumunam na okasai basafonia bread den and what you Paris Saint-Germain aye open secret sakoda no wo mo so mpan dada eti aye 8 million and mo demande aye 3 million euros shy from the Bobo Kwefan Napoli and asabi akoda no enso demand o manya ntama wo mo say demand so empo mo kamesia ne ba clause mo fansham 80 million euros mamon kwai 100 and 150 million bia na wiase de obi ani sika and obi abeta 150 ababeto tomu sentiment release clause of 80 million euros and no and some by the football na come so ye and some aba wo kai owura ye fan say Marco Materazzi what na mazi that direct card no da am says it down no so be pem na direct card ko pem no kwa by now can film pade nyina kra bubu na Marco Materazzi say wo bi ntie no mento aye Zlatan Ibrahimovic say bonum and ya consider mo ni pa wonka ho ya na wo se de ba kwa ne won say Ibrahim kunkon na chi apaja den ai ana oni mbo no bona chese aso ya te se da wiase nyina no Ibrahimovic no enso mfane ni mbo bo se masa enye no kwada o category e bia kasa strikers ana oni go no sha e bia oba consider na se e kasa overall play bema enye wa fa ene si Ronaldo enye wo jonko ene Leo Messi awa bra Marco Materazzi ono ene boss players me no dia me dem ayete for say no kra adeba ko no say wono wo JJ titles ni na mom ye bi say wo Champions League awe ya wo bi dabi ye bi say so board man Sweden European Cup o dia we ya unibi ye bi say so World Cup o dia we ya unibi wono waje de wo bo so ni nyina bi o tiba ma wo nyu hwe enchen no wonom ai na wadwe yo say obi no oba ka wo say we one of the best na mom ye ka one of the best enum ani Ronaldo ani Leo Messi num wo mo ye kwasuro mo santimu ntiamento Ibra say wo nya hu a chese no aye message abranche na ye fa no say Marco Materazzi wono so adeba ye say eba enejo na wudu Real Madrid da bia make story an ma kai owura we na Shadrack Mami Antonio Pintus na Pintus a physical trainer, physical coach Emma Los Blancos na ono na me kai sa omo be fa tebu koto amane kobolo mfofo na omo to no kwa no say coach itimi di omo di training sana wo Johnson na mo na say ta maza edu yes remadu for them ho do enai yes do konso no ono na boy hina afedi me nyam say behind the scenes no wom tiri aba say players omo papa ni nyina no ayo pani awase tiri hui and I said blame e born again wo ya wom say and the method ni bi won ma and atwam ye kolo na jomba so mo kare nyina no say anima pi awodi gu akwam no wom consider no say ayo too old fashioned just and the methods and an approach no ayo teteri atwam enum and my boys no wom propra esansa me no kase for a second time Rodrigo wanum ayo bia militao mom just Adam militao wanya ACL for the second time ebiam aya akwana na for so Rodrigo wanum ana Shuameni ana just Lucas Vasquez omunyina no woma propra Dani Cavaya Juan Martinez Tebu Courtois David Alaba kwado no Jesus next year womunyina so safa ACL enti ade nkwa na ekoso a yade baako anaso pra baako echi kwesi na che kwame na beche yaw na beche kwaku dabi I was say bibi ko so mo hwe no mo kan ye enti anadia me say kan nyina say ya na bekodi a na ne che so automatically ebi Antonio Pintus no wo mo mpama no kwan na wo mo so na be po bi aba be shemed na kan wo se na be a wo no so na be ko so ya adwuma no na Xabi Alonso and Real Madrid adia ne dia me so men kan biem because my brother Ancelotti said they see Kowajio, Wanjo, Ombejano Quine, Shabi Alonso, House of Enwa, Debanin, and Ayatesa, one also yes season on to me to Asubium, and some family Vakus in Timno, one to the right team, the right replacement at the Maya coach, your friend Ancelotti, and some Shabi Alonso, and idea, at your early stages, Omobia concentrating, Yabu Fifi, Ebia League, your chum through Quatesa, and Ebia start to say SPD, I'm a boy, no, and as for run so do no, and some Abasubium, no, and so I update about Madrid Bobo Kono, Yanum Somo central defender, player about quality and circulative power, American Laporte, Yabakawaha, now our Saudi medical about to Kasa, what did 20 million euros a season, our Saudi Al Nassar. Na Madrid for the day, Omuntian Tiatana, and I'm kind of the Omon can say, Omon can't be a summer American Laporte. Okay, see a can't kind of quite the power. See, cannot the team, Ebedimantano, woman Omuntia. Ebiam Edian and the number 2 Casa, Nisika watching a Madrid, Omuntia Sicano, and so on so Madrid said and Amri, Wabeki to Musa, why now Real Madrid, Ebeba, Wabekas Omo, Madrid Bar, Obacono, and Yabama also Yahubi, and I can from us what about something now, yet Amiatafa, what kind Giovanni dos Santos, Massa. Akumko na ye kan ball omo na osan kabia ye dabi omo say omo ye the next ayelio Messia and Kanela mi jamanom akum pass of football at the boy piao defender damini ni fa bankum shawo je 1-2 tiasu defenders tram seal masa akwalo wa ba kombrita ball pass about down and what the be change na Giovanni nom or retired 3 years ago na am say omo aya na futuo kwademo mo mutirebi Jeminya no say once I was an antenna kakra shark mami the picture bi na nas wo miam kakra yes na say a banana ya so so ono wo bi a wo invest more na kakra no nya bobo Tottenham money adini nyina no mechi so boy no ekose dwumadi e fa no say we ensom aye chemical oil company and we invest here na ye free January aye be ram December I finish one. What between $300,000 and $500,000 annually. And I be investing a was some car business as one water. No atong ebi na chese o twam wo ho no a chese ne kasa wo ton no wo mo sem anya ye dia bia anya ka bia keke ono no anya won simpia de ba short bia o ne dia ne ye chese kasa a luxury cars eno ana Giovanni dos Santos and some invest wom enti sikanom e wo ho e wa ba fi bia no boy no wo je kakra free a no agye bia free chese ne nyina no and some afachenia ya kan say income and some mano woman busa Maka Salto says Spain in Benny Bissau say na wunya no Barcelona opa was say Nico Williams and I'm say kai o ma sha sentem aye campaign na Gemini no penny say e mo bia na daw Yababu players D and Quaraskili and Mosala and a ha Udru Barcelona numero prioritario number 1 priority and that's so Nico Williams because boy no ya catch so be stay our Bilbao 1 more season or we are and Panfona Betiasie women Janu Kwame now come no Casanano Peno Gemini so Bilbao yes woman ya could have plan B you found Borja signs I know my consider on the side boy no kwa woman kwa Fanabanti Bonsa I'm priority eya brantena you found Nico Williams na me ya ma samen na fe almost say young no yemfa ne nkwan mu mfa ne mobra nto be gya ne kwan na nsia na omo se onya one for the future enti oka omo abasa bese going forward womo no be koso aye adwuma popra womo consider branch one say young gasa wono anka ubiem a chese no enso aye update e ba kwatena yemfa ne Trent Alexander-Arnold adiano Liverpool fan se moboa Wobi obeka chose boy no come Madrid bianya no krena wa rejected Real Madrid wobeso stay our Anfield ekoso born ball and some Liverpool team no ansof and homachide ba no wonu ma branch one say Ryan Shaurki obo our Groupama Stadium Emma Lyon yes brand so obeso okosi account bonus league anymore na mo Liverpool abesem am fan o extend the contract na no ya no wo mo se ni sika na se ni obetimi atona wo mo value around 25 million euros when born papa 21-year-old Liverpool fan and some any abre na enwa you say Ruben Amorim yeah Wawuram our Old Trafford ono koyensra I just a fan radio so Obama yamo akwa or dressing room not just as supporters go on ma woman akwa Obama is say Obama yamo akwa ma the theater of dreams. We love you. You will enjoy this place. Now I say a judge start to say ba and I was say Shafai Darren Bent essay in Golo Kanté. Waba Leicester be yet waba Leicester no among France and starting is until say Chelsea ekoto on buy adwuma de waba bi pa na mom we consider the all time Premier League 11er in Golo Kanté yeche Darren Bent.
The kind of jeopardy comes in because I think we live in a society and a generation where it's all about the here and now. So you almost forget about what came before.
That's right.
But when I think back to N'Golo Kanté, like Leicester, I didn't really pay too much attention to him because it was the whole story, wasn't it? So I didn't look at that one player in the middle of the park and go, oh my goodness, like he's good. Because you look at Vardy.
I don't think anyone did.
No,
actually.
You got Mahrez, who's superb. You got Wes Morgan, Hoof, these guys. But it's when he went to Chelsea, and you go, oh my goodness, what have they signed here? And obviously winning the Champions League, the Premier League with Leicester, then moving and winning it with Chelsea, then moving. I'm sure all this happened in the period of about 4 years. Then Ghana winning the World Cup with France, then winning it again with Chelsea, then Champions League. He's definitely in the discussion as the best. I think he's probably the best, but he doesn't get in my midfield of all time Premier League.
Yes, and no. Bishop now on where there.
It's all about the here and now. So
okay. Apostle said yes, I Mimi challenge no see assemble na me.
Boamani can minimum crow for other semen aba. Of semen aba. Enefia.
Me ba na say me I say wasam ya.
No for kuba bia o de foforo ba.
Na so di hu ne.
Patrol. Me hu ga bi e social media no so I can trust me pen. O ka chine me. And assemble be nam sande to when fa again.
Bishop go fia o mo fa bankuta nche si wa.
We dey bankuta. Didn't them pass. So any gino ho. Na bi me se me pen no man ka se me gino. Okay, open no. Me ka sa na. Okay, sa.
Shoot too straight.
And I also dey send me never too many.
Oh, send me them. Oh, small me send me ko investigation.
Kasa ya wado do. Oh, massa.
Asem na America.
There wakasa. Go straight to the point. Assemble no to ne assemble na oh masa uma wasa
ma catch us said the wo hwehwe free public pala apero
some passports
occupy say machine and oil
is on obi sadaso
ado oya mata oya mata
did occupy space
occupy space
because Jeff can I also so by then I'll be kind
me trust you say ukra na be wasem na isi afa de na oje o wi asi aba
because you na be catch say ya ko bobo
ai
na obo wi a be koyin
so be wi am kofi
na Brunei ho na o kan ne
na se Brunei bo 78 obi an kra ma kwa free school
what Brunei
obi an kan na o bi me wa oh samum ene de o yeah
I'm coming to you. Hey, no me register gym no. Oh my gym ni be. Oh my gym.
I'm a bishop to you register gym with Brunei.
Where? That no me try there oh.
Okay. You know
what I want to you so.
You're cold.
I was so much you so. So bad Jim.
And I said Jim the only bankrupt for guys and wife so.
And then Friday we probably anticipate.
But that is serious.
Oh, that is true.
Oh, because of what they wear. Ni almost share echo gym no the gym wear no at a very transparent and a man who bar features come up. The bars are now open to a lot of dangers, especially painful. Unse can to the painful. I could damn taco pa. Oh, masa. Use Corolla, na BMW, ni Range Rover mo. It's difficult. And easy. Yes, a man of card. Masa, it's difficult. CEO of this company. Masa. It's happening all over the place. I cry, you know, it's a major problem. So
it's not more fast or imagine.
Only sika jai. And the Eka boys
Shadrach.
Destroy everything.
Yes, you. So really, every man that goes to the gym
Backbench.
will be attracted to her. One, or you're cute. What they say? Remember, we'll be a peculiar ladies because we can do whatever I want to do with them 360. What they say? Where she can twist, she can turn. We obey me and making sure say why you're confused because obey me be beer from throat to fem side and side. And we
Bishop Yankoi.
Wana chance waba.
Sompa Sports.
No, said after the Range Rover, so or man lift. How? Obey chache.
Assembling in a honey. Until then, more for us. I be in our debate. Niska, the Ababan. Until partial video, no, now say Israel need be now. I copy stadium one of France for us on Babuno. And
Israel for no match France for no guano. So mom come who dead.
So, and then I say, Omoko Amsterdam, Omom ne could din some money. And so, police for now, make can't say police for the kind cannot is a Dutch prime minister and we can't patch out. A pass a Leblé France. And now Omodio Muna see from my reacting and who said, Sebi almost some phones. I buy the projected 20,000. I'm not sure they got even up to 5,000.
16.
And but the fans needed to take a stance. Stadium of 80,000. Leblé. No, there is no way on by almost. But this is the reality. Near Israel, a fun man for. And yet, I just am a Tel Aviv fans. No? So, I'm bo rem, a copy more techie. So, I'm money Besiktas Echo Boa. Combi Huankasa. It's good. Sabon Yamo. Because you're moyeno. Moja bin si moja bi. Nipa bin si nipa bi. Bibi na ye bibi. And a brabona ambo ye. And I'll be copy baby. I am found moja. Look, whenever you hear statistics of human death, and your number a nipa. Oh, about 80 people are feared dead.
As what fun normal.
And nipa maku 80. Funadaka 80. Look, let's be serious. And that me who say, Omuko chat tunnel nasia. IDF Israel Defense Force for who say hospital on Bombay no Hamas ni tunnel be our same. That sadana me draw line was same. Baby I didn't crack come on mupani. No more to pay gonzo. You can musio Hamas furnish to 2 tunnel our hospital as a honor moye bomb. Ne we could really correct tunnel be no. Moku central for baby. Moku doctors and nurses baby. Sandy penny na no almost shentade say you can't go after these people. Still mukum. Number bobo so ye yenko ye mukra born and kanisa bobi mu Asia. But essence musurunti
Sompa Sports.
Because you jam some ko Yemen and your munko World Cup qualifier. Obi a mafie
Con of Korea and Koba.
Obi a omo jam no doso. Oh, and I'm beka UEFA. And I'm born kama. And then the hospital person mu treasure to more. And look, let's be serious. The number of Arabs, Muslims, are major European countries, no, each passing their doors. 2, Abrafun is all. Into the projection is that there will be a slump in birth growth. And yeah, the best I can feel less agap. And there are 4. Into the omu and yet, born they are where we will be a wenting, but her confusion and control. Nipana ye protecting na on the 4,000 police, 1,600 stadium staff. Born na crown was it eventful. Born na come be out. Born wa unyanka ko hwe yanum die bi. Because some of them say omakoma Greece for Niska and omoshom. But so pass ko Israel. And France, it was such a dog game. Ya boy assembly to a but it's good fans take a stance. No more we are seeing in the news and no man mu ye enye. Yes, so. No man ko stadium no. because France Amaya Omuba Omo France in New Omuagro Israel inti and French France decided not to go to the stadium. A stadium with a capacity of 80,000, then they pass 16,000, and they should give you an indication of how angry these people are. But in Nano, a rebi and a rebi sending a camera. One yanasa in ye. Xabi Alonso. I read a piece, a brow cast Uncle Liverpool. It was in Spanish.
Sompa Sports.
Xabi Alonso, no. Or the time and season, the bar. When you make the right move at the wrong time, it becomes a wrong move. And I'm not surprised. Say ye yanko nasha say oh. I say no. He has agreed to conditions. I okay. Where Xabi Alonso Dinya, you'd have to admit. So he's taking the right steps. And that it's only patience. And Real Madrid man. But if they are able to add that backup, so Real Madrid Jonathan Tade was but or a coach player into the Nebeko. Free. Possibly Trent free. Possibly Alphonso Davies free. Now, when they add up a more fiscal space, so Omunko top player and the wedding.
Okay.
But what I say?
Go for quality bed, you're free.
Now, a more fiscal space because we know the Obetriano wages no. Any signing on bonus advema player no. I no crowd bet spreading in na. Na bakuna kana mienu na kana okutia 80 million euros, 70 million euros. One of the things with Real Madrid in recent times, and they say, fancy they sell very well. Someone in Manchester United saw my son. And no more we team nim a dreadie. Into muso buomono. And then Nasamo, Di Maria yebebu, Casemiro yebebu, omo buomusara, Favaran yebu. No, someone imagine some job,
some passports.
So I say because of omo ton pizza, any McDonald's, any Adebasa Mumeye commercial director, na job director of football.
Donut.
Massa, do not bona no medical. Now you call no mubu, omumbu me. So what I say, you know, just free baby. Players now peomono. Genuinely, that was on the lighter side. On the serious side, Real Madrid they sell very well. Until they can create both space on the wage bill and then also on the amortization sheet. So no, I'm not confident be shame. Until they just imagine to see a problem near day. Problem near so Mubea Alphonso Davies. Left back sorted, left wing back sorted, Trent left back, right back sorted, right wing back sorted. Meaning the entire Omokika say or say on Real Madrid BR. You see, his case is different. His case is different. The say obey captain. Look, if all the three are going to renew at Liverpool, we obey catch it. Because he's forever going to be in the shadows of Salah, Van Dijk until they leave. Another person yes Steven Gerrard, and they mean Steven Gerrard. Or a vice captain or whatever it is, but look, you cannot be because Omo face of the club. No, they have not showed any sign of slowing down. Some of them now have done what this guy called Trent Alexander-Arnold has not done. Salah publicly or say he's willing to stay. It's up to the club. Van Dijk, I'm willing to stay. It's up to the club. The only person who has not been able to say that, Trent. And why not? This is Real Madrid. Or McManaman. Or Owen. Or English boys.
Beckham.
Look, and then after we be to share fancy.
Some
passports. Europa League now. What is the motivation for him to continue there? Sentimental motivation in Microm Club. Near Steven Gerrard. Men are my captain. That's it. But I'm surprised he's saying it's uncle. Real Madrid, no. It's a pinnacle. It's a radio damam. So that's it. Oh, sanity. Today, you better nebesi. You dey wa. You try omo. Be na yami asese nyankopon no na bo wiase. And on one any much nasem. He's the Alpha and Omega, the only one who knows the end from the beginning. Abrabona shase no ho. John chapter 1, Okokaya, Vitiasian, no assembly a day. No, no, I know. Yamin and the wine. Until Kikani in Abuma. You know when you me. Sunday school one Kobe.
Me Kobe.
Your must cast a top collection now. I'm going to top pocky.
Dabi.
Sompa Sports.
Ngwabali ni pape. Eya Rosen. Ngwabali ni pape we. Eya pa na. The omo bebo Uyo against Rwanda. Nti ne be say reception be no mo de be ma no. Ni di Ngwabali nem say semi final no. Chichi penalty. Almost say son of the night. So Nigeria for boys now no more. So say son of the night. You know, it's painful. I'm sorry say na o see here na. Ni papa wu. Chale o ye there so wu. So what I say.
Oh, okay. James ono de di Kenya info no.
Yeah. Oh, okay. O me catch na.
Yes. That's unlike him anyway.
And now tuma de o papa wu. Ada na o ma obi meda.
Mese abrabo.
Ata bra wa bra nsa na obenya ade abeda. Wa bro.
And boy Bruni ni so aba.
Okay, so you fine season.
Fantastic season.
The
best season wouldn't the best season this season.
Wow. You didn't a very competent in the league. Now I'm say fancy that's why you know Real Madrid jet them.
Pintus here no.
Na Pintus issues na no ayeden. Na a 5-pointer when it comes to problems na pija de bano. The edi kan. Omoji 2 years a Pintus ye nipa or the nchichemu aba coaching staff nim. And Real Madrid dressing room ni coaching staff nim. They tosu mienu. Omoji 2 years ase unu eje fans chen omododo. Bibia ni a ana Pintus ayese. Bibia ni a ana Pintus ayese. They tosu miensa. Real Madrid ankasa omoji 2 years America omoko no game mu ni sese e wo from kakra. It players in time cover distance. Kebiaka, the positive aspect of it is Real Madrid are dominant in possession. The ball will rather do the running instead of the players. But there are some games that Real Madrid are not dominant in possession. But almost distance covered in the games, you know. Your man said I'm going for more. They are also nine. Almost set piece coach be one of my friend Francesco Mori. Now Francesco Mori no mabe kan ho asem.
Sompa Sports.
Ojina touchline ho no ma chese ne kokko aba na kumetu. Real Madrid intimi defend set pieces. Almost all intimi set pieces. It in the move for touchline one and to kwankwan on the coaches nekum. Omani nyo. Ana Pintus so aka kire Carlo Ancelotti mo say ne mpanyifo Real Madrid say. Mo di asem mebre hye me. Na emom no Real Madrid no ye bo matches beberebe. E kan obi na ama players ni injuries here dey. E do so. This coming to light as to Real Madrid players are omoye injured this season and the problems they are facing with such things. Na intokwane nyina na hyase na ne tintini ni tetie nyina na say Pintus are very close to Florentino Perez.
Anso okono mo san ko fa na bai.
Obey ne pa. Na Carlo Ancelotti coaching staff no. Enei ne ba wom. Na
David.
Ana na down for pass so ba. Esuwom. Francesco Mori Carlo Ancelotti long time physical trainer no no AC Milan na chinchina nante le ba.
Yeah.
And Real Madrid set piece coach. Ano no ankasa na so as part of the coaching bench no kwa promoting and a performance manager. Ana ne ba David. Ancelotti ji 2 years as a Pintus in term no kwai ne wakakra in terms of communication. Pintus who be class a Pintus in person be catch Carlo Ancelotti see any say because Pintus no who say on so top there. Ancelotti will only have information when he communicates with Davide because Davide is closer to Pintus. Then na so no performance manager then oba benya Francesco Mori ono so kan wo mu related or mu city this an komo no. Ancelotti ni class a wo gidie bi say as a Pintus ne Florentino Perez din komo bi wo akira emi say nkomo no en favor no Carlo Ancelotti in terms of Nijumedia odi wase for Real Madrid. Iti akoye say wo me peace e wo machi which does not sound good for Real Madrid at the start of the season. Florentino Perez is not ready to sacrifice Pintus for anyone. So asem na mo kan ba Xabi Alonso to Real Madrid. Na no pay Germany for no kan sem say Xabi Alonso e ba be pie mo Real Madrid no enya me wonwa Say Nyoma unko ya fama Ancelotti be ready to see. Say Real Madrid will ask him.
Ono kwa resma kase Champions League ne kra so me con George kra na still. Omeja no kwan.
Omudi ni betwa so. And they feel say a pinch
Sompa Sports.
But Real Madrid players in any injury situations in the fancy. They be on kasa say we say. Real Madrid needs signings, especially at their back line. How many times no Real Madrid attackers in the prayer do na? Rodrigo Yano akwa pra and a woman no akwa ba no sako. Jude Bellingham in Sako shine at some point in time, but he's back, he's playing, he's okay. What is a Vinicius a prayer? That man artist Vinicius a prayer 10 akwa to the fee. Che. Adagula a prayer na. Brahim Diaz a prayer na. Hendrick a prayer na. They have enough men even up front as say a Cassiano rotation, a bit my rotation.
She Madrid 2. Obet me show 3 4.
Sanity.
Yeah. Say chiro kranya.
A chiro kranya any but the concern I deal with say Real Madrid chiro ho na sem na ne ka no. E chiro ho na sem no. Because en infinity when it's a Trameni ni one man. Obet me about Kamavinga never Vardy as the double pivot. Kamavinga plano ko plana na mu ko bru anase ne ko todwe ko hwan no. Champions League game no mo kwa kobo. Omo ye training no for Lely. Ne nine ko ye dey. E ko ye bibia ho. But Tramani dia na ankle kakra and na yi kakra muscle kakra and na ne ha kakra is becoming a huge problem and they needed to deal with it. But in the middle of the park, they have players who can come in and complement whoever they have in the middle of the park. So of Vardy, or Kamavinga, or Tramane, or Luka Modric, or Adagula, or Brahim Diaz, these guys can even play in the double number 8. Ancelotti, you must bring the best out of them. Why you raise concerns? Real Madrid backline.
Many sure say Madrid players need Barca players. You best start this season available.
Pintus even reference say at some point in time, Girona. October more last season. Omunya players bear 10 say no munya ko games. So these are things say in test. That is why Real Madrid a lot of games. You always want to win the Champions League. You always want to win the La Liga. If you always want to win the La Liga and you always want to win the Champions League, the fitness levels of players ne to be a Ramos ni Pepe mo. The man who say Pepe mo the musunkuni say Pepe is still playing and Arsenal Bobo Nasiano retire. At the age of 40, Pepe was still playing. Sergio Ramos was 38 or Tifie Onyakro Besa Day. But these guys, almost fitness level need different. But now the ones you have, they are fragile. I'm a injury situations and also Timmy Crocodile Kakra. Share Follow Mendy. Edru maybe cry whole season cry who Follow Mendy so Bobo Nibi. Nancy and Follow Mendy are very consistent. I can back up your Frank Garcia. Lucas Vasquez ain't your fullback. It's in a Real Madrid and Yabre Omunya Trent Arnold ni free. No Munya Alfonso Davies ni free. Hallelujah. Omama Mosasu because Omonya 2 good players that can come in and do the job for them. But Eda Militao, Omama no play the call. And I'm AC on our no. Eda Militao is not going to be the same again. 2 times in 1 year. It Real Madrid will be needing a centre back, proper one, defensive midfielder as well. So now they was through. To say Casemiro will bet him about 60 games in the season on plan. When any distance as them, they should be active in the market for centre backs. They should be active in the market for a proper defensive midfielder and make sure say Omobe releasing the load of these players.
Oh wow! He didn't why me.
But the problem is not good for Real Madrid at this point in time.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Mama Basa for never to nyum. Aka say hallelujah. Atwaswa akosoa because these problems are not needed now for Real Madrid.
Matimiza, Apostle Bray.
Two problem, Pacho. Yeah, Nimze we from Basa, we from Pacho. My enkaya say, you wish season nasi. Wa komi ani e friend say, fancy then I'm going fire. Then I'm going fire.
Because a flick in the majuma. Flick in the majuma.
The team no crowd enye.
The team ni enye. See, only the Biaka is all bad squad crowd. So a good coach, quality coach.
And the sanity. It makes things a bit easier for the team. Yeah. And Sabasa onimnio here. Once the Ziago is in a critical situation. But the Mamin Kamasam. And Menkase Kai Yakub are the head coach for the Carthage of Tunisia. He's won. So the drastic decision said or dropping key players, nice starters. No, at the end of we need no any problem. But this game there was a lot of issues. This was a game. Look, for first 20 minutes, Ponti and Rivalison should have put 2 goals in the back of the net. There was a mistake. Yasin Meria, centre back. I know, and only Rivalison and or Trino, and the ball missed narrowly. And then there was another one. Ali Abdi, a mistake against Ponti. And that was also 1v1 with the goalkeeper, Namala Memech, and not born over the bar. And that's football with moments. If that 2 balls, no every more. Because what they did was that Madagascar, they were very physical, aggressive, and using counter-attack. Before Hamza Rafi, shared the goal, no, those 2 chances came, first 5 minutes. And so that would have changed the dynamics of the game. But Hamza Rafi has shared a goal, a brilliant goal by our standard. Is the top-class goalkeeper. Look, on African continent, who you keepers means, you know, him. He's been he's the only reason why Esperance scored finals against us last season. The clean sheet. No? He's an exceptional goalkeeper at this age, 20 years. You don't expect that from him. And then coach, uniform the Ayman Damen, Ebemuno, in the 46 because like he has a bad day. This is unlike him. He's young by his exception. So those are the corner that led to the goal.
Yes.
So after that, then Tunisia started coming to the game. And Safala Latte was brilliant. Hazem Misturi, beautiful, or Trinipa Mienu, and they relayed the pass to him, and wonderful goal, the second goal. But Jean-Pierre Morgan passed Nordima Ibrahim Amadou for the equalizer was superb. Brilliant. The standard of the African game this time was superb. Brilliant. Brilliant. Oshebo Nama, I meant that Moni baby a born of fire. He struck it so well. Then moment of madness for Wajid Kechrida, the right back. Wajid Kechrida, the tackle, no, 2-footed tackle. I mean, a 2-footed tackle on El Hadari Rahel Nanana. That was bad for a straight red card. Because baby a game, no, you need a win at all costs. You don't commit such unfortunate development. Tiabasana, red card, no man, red card. Now Tunisia must win the game at all costs to secure Omukwali because Comoros didn't can be a member in there. So you have to make sure we win. Who win here is a formality between Comoros and Gambia. Whoever wins will qualify. And then the moment came. The moment was when Amor Layuni, wonderful cross from Amor Layuni, and then Ali Abdi left back, no, beautiful header, and that was in the net. That's why he's so excited about that. Now the decision to drop Ben Hamida, right Buchin, these were 2 starting left backs for the team national team. Drop them. Drop Hussein Aka. Drop Fejani Sassi, one of their finest players over the years. Drop Captain Yusuf Misakni. Drop Bilal Megri.
Sompa
Drop Sefedin Jaziri. Drop Chiheb Jebali. But he's one. That's also one. Tunisia our death. Without this, without this quality play, they can still go and get a victory. For that's good for the Carthage girls. Now, Burkina Faso and Senegal. Papa Thiaw, a statement for him. Don't forget that he's won 3 games over since I take over. This is the 3rd game he's won. Now, a say on your such statement to prove a case say obetimi and the national team no say Aliou Cisse ekoye obetimi. So nyoye and yesterday Captain Diatta normally used as for 10 months Aliou Cisse in front as a wing back, but he used him as a right back yesterday, and that's one of those young players at 25 years. Who didn't to position play on the right side, he will play as a right winger, a wing back, and he performed very well because a famous Mendy position. Here. So I think that what he's looking for is a backup. He delivered yesterday so well. But look, the first 25 minutes they were in hot soup. Lassina Traore, and Budaya Husseini at the left wing, and then Hassani Bandi at the right. They created problems a lot for Captain Diatta and Haj Malik Diouf, or Slavia Prague player, or non deputy for Ishmael Jacobs at the left back. So they created a problem for them, and Lassina Traore missed twice he couldn't score, and then Side Simpori header hit the crossbar before they settled into the game. Because now initially now say Papa Gay was struggling in the game, but with time Idris Agana Gay, and that is why you need experience. Esther this all control midfield because Papa Gay in the boy. So Papa Matasa, he came from the bench. Lamin Kamara they on the bench. Now young boy now make an Asemcho Habib Diarra, the Strasbourg talented 20-year-old boy. Now for the future.
Sompa
Now when the things became very difficult, say and once again Nicolas Jackson was a bad day. The national team has been struggling until Malawi 4-0 in all share the fourth goal. He's been struggling until a uniform. But when Ishmael Sarr was taking off for Habib Diallo is the 20-year-old young midfielder. Massa, the strike, but the location of Papa Gay, the pass to locate him, and the strike was superb. Now, Papa Matasa Bemono, he stabilized the midfield because you have him, you have Ghana Gay and Papa Gay. So midfield is and don't forget there's a Lamin Kamara that's 21 years there, one ball. So Senegal have a midfield that they can play for the next 10 years, and they are playing top game. So that moment came when the pass came from Papa Gay and Habib Diallo strike is over. After that, Burkina played and gave everything, but unfortunately, they couldn't. Edward Mendy did a wonderful 2 quality saves. So kept them in a game. Clearly, Burkina Faso, they have a solid team. They have a solid team. And watch out for them in the next AFCON again. They've already qualified. Sir, Augustina Guavon said, Ometimia should be on any day is true. I'm telling you. That's why, of course. On any day is to all spaghetti here a balance.
Okay.
Balance. On say semi ajayi abora side center back a prior no. On saw the Gabriel show a boy and he played so well. He played so well. As if he's been there. That's the debut. Because our Calvin Bassey or Captain Trust the corner a guiding. And if you have experienced Ola Aina playing as a left, and then Ola Aina plays so well. Ola Aina and Brian Onyemachi, they play so well. It will be one who Kakra, but indeed he was excellent. Indeed he plays well. But they came up against a Beninois side, Hassana Imori and Ceci Almeida. These are Ceci Almeida is a spirit, and now he battled them in the middle. And it will be Antimi Ambobo. He plays so well. And the pass from Junior Alatan from the left to Mohamed Tijan, the center back. Brilliant header. Mika said Stanley Wabili because of the father depth. So I think that's what, because that should be something should be tipping over the bar for a corner kick. They play so, but once again, when Moses Simon Ebemu, the game changed. Moses Simon, Debiamika, or I prefer him to Samuel Chukwueze. Or a force were aggressive. And Obemunu Ademola was also free. So all the needed to get a ball for Victor Osimhen. And then with that moment came Simon Pejaya or Osimhen header. Nienti Boniface, Victor Boniface, on stalwart bench, because in this moment, when your chance be he wasted them. In moment like they only hear players who know what to do at the right time, being in the right position at the right time to pick their spot to head the ball. And he did it so well. And the Nigerian team, they have Kelechi had a bad day, but Kelechi on your right winger, so I don't know why Augustine even played him there. Kelechi plays as a number 10 and as a striker. He wants to be there. The fact that he's creative with his foot does not mean that or a right winger or struggles and they substituted him. So Omu was the best team when it comes to attack, and they have a good midfield. Dele Bashiru, what Dele Bashiru is doing very now. Look, you see, Alassane is not even getting an opportunity because of Dele Bashiru. And you have Rafael Onyedika, you have Frank Onyeka. So they have excellent midfield. They have the best attack in Africa. Defense, no, and said be air problem kakra. So see, Obia, it's true. Yeah. They can beat everybody. Maybe the team they will struggle a bit is Ivory Coast. Okay. Because Ivory Coast were a lot of quality and young players that are coming up and they are playing very well.
Mate, Apostle, Medasepa. Yes, ye Buffy Black Stars and SCSC because Enra, Niger for the kind collect yen shenne, Nian train a last round of games. And I draw Nana just any names. I over my Ghana pa. There's hope. Ahanti. ye ba so yesia enche kra na mom imbuster ba mbesha no eye police ni adro na maka cho se bomori ensa bia no test for malaria ba se mo ne bi wo mo jane mu nkwan de a obepa dro no bi anoma immune system adro support immune system eboa em fight tia ya de bi e be se ba ne be si akonya enso e wo ni padwane mu malaria fever be ko honamre no e betu ase na abre bia na ama hodema pa enso aba onwuma mo to ba ha untimi nkonyuma so a adro no aye imbuster ba mesha police ni adro eno ene ye kanfo edema emenum bi ebesiesie okama na fe bema so apabi anom wo mo de imbust pharmacy so ba offenso na aye kodie offenso akwan ne so heya mo amoye over the counter mo amoye pharmaceutical shop ene mo amabie mo herbal shop ba bia mo beko no makotu nro ni bi aton a chese hono aye wholesale enko abone dafom ane e kan se orthodox eno ya abofudro ene chese aye abibidro ni nyina na herbal no okwa adodo bi abeso otubia no benya bi enso atodro bia bi ewo ho o pedrodo 2 ato afrempanfo no aye 0246 208496 Bafu Polo what the African print and then Jumedie na omomato atare ne bi dabia no wo mbeka chosa atade na down so efe se wo ko wedding and as engagement wo program bia wo ko bia beso ko bia no ye the African print and so etwa wo neat a chese mo amopa mo Friday we na mo Wednesday we schools NHS institutions and the companies out running nyina no mo ne Bafu Polo and so enkasa dodo bia obepam ama mo Bafu classics no lapel tops and in down a fake kaftan ewom ano besan pam suit and so ama mutimo mo yam suit and asamo pam jacket no momo de ansamo ne Bafu Polo so ebe kasa ahenema kokoben of Santa say oboase ekwan so 0249 600789 Jean's toothpaste, Jean's toothbrush, and one as I say, say household OBAUZ. Na ya was just herbal no our natural herbs a ball say layers ni nyina oba wo se no ene chesa wo gam ema chesa hodempem na say ja fresh breath afei ya was just whitening no ema chesa confidence level e baswe san say abrabia no se aye fital kama e someone hodempem e ja minty fresh breath and a total care e just de ni bia eno so be yi decay e be yi plaque e de fruit cinema na abrabia ma gam no enso support o kama enye na ewo dwaso bia befa bia no Jean's toothpaste and no Jean's toothbrush na bu a obenya bi enso ato Dwaberua bank enie we aye bank omo buy ya 40 years eni na omo 40th anniversary sky national swam said just last year womo get the best rural bank of the year 2023 and we the Chamber of Commerce Awards and no eba so obeso bio savings account a current and answer dachinti account obeso je shares ni nyina no obetimi atobi mo ya mo wedding engagement and the programs out on sorry mobile for Diana Simple a year and abefie mo po bi ama cash collection wa ya mamo serebia musika na teku na asesimpo enso emfa ba bia eno eye Dwaberua bank company for ye kamfo e de ama omo branch chesa doso udru adeshman Roman Hill onwe omo obonre e wa boaso dwaben hono obehu omo 0271409340 na onem perfono enso enkasa enano pay yenyiwe na afa yenkomre aye time time heba misha we ya dro tatahwene num enye ya enyanwuno wonum ato aduane nya oda wadro ne time ene wachi ahodin wo untimi nsore enye onwuma kakra bi wotenka se ni paduane ayemre wato ba na sempo aswo hodwane nyina no aye time ene beboawo malaria fever no eno ene betu ase edroi malaria fever hunu ba na adwane enti aye time ba misha oba wafafro wa fofo oye lactating mother enye and I could anya above 12 years a man in Numbi a BM aye time HH about Misha and in the capsules ni jumadi didn't say esiesi oba emanyam ebe wase eyinka efri ho ema chese ono bema na setenem eye kama bema sunsun fita bi etafru bemam enso eba ni nyina ebe ja pebito ewo pharmaceutical shops and herbal shops ni nyina mo 0244 417669 now at your time edro bi ya kwa ba ye ba ye ba fie Ball Stars ehene ana se senebeko yenkomre.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing. but nothing better than having it saved. BetSaver. Here's Kwame and Yao. After hours of planning, both have locked in the same perfect multi-bet. Big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City? Or a high-scoring game at the Bridge? There's nothing worse than having your perfect multi-bet missing. But there's nothing better than having it saved. BetSaver. Win, even if your bet misses.
Mama Kwababa, Gentleman Dental. Gentleman Dental Clinic, you do my dear idea and say, you be CC will sing, now your bow sing her by Amawonum, and so acti, and I say, or sing animal young so far and to my pa. If you fix one no, and I say, you tap for a permanent one no, and also you see a ultimate aim to give, and no any friend PFM bridge, and I say PFM crown. I feel you sign a cleaning services about your profession, your friend is killing and polishing. Say, India and never be as she says, a cinema, said you Okasa, it's near my pampa, and I the ebe. Oba Gentleman Dental, ye nina bi ewo. Gentleman Dental Clinic, ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station Enchenwa. And I would do and so ye wo Nungwa, and atomic down, Domekwa binya runabout on so. And I would do takwa de pipe one, traffic light na ewo pipe one, ye ne OGN Bank na ne wo the same premises. And I Kachima so ye wo Magazi Market Quina Suwa, or Anase opposite AY Ahmed. And I would do Kumasi Abrepo Junction, Total Filling Station wa. Traffic light na and if G runabout on. Who free Total Filling Station na yabron sign na ediho ye adwuma free eda juada kopem eda memeda itimi afreya homa no e wo 055 913 9582
if I shop na me shade o bag
bra ade enna so bi
what time about me share me see about queen why me say
bra said the time about me sha esia gimi ni me fie fo enya dia ba ko pe ebe so ye
me dey do this o fa ni nyina
bra so me ka se me di time about me sha ho adanse a riase nyina ebe te me nka enti se malaria wadra ni time about me sha
enya nu go die na nu ato a wontimi ani die no wadra ni time about me sha edre enya ma oba wa fa afuro die wo ma akoda no fo enya akoda woni mfie dumienu ansa na obeto time about me sha edre ibi no hwese wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo agide malaria ibi ansa
ayo se time me TIME time about me sha afi malaria fever bi ada ni ziva ewo mu no ebe tua ubenya bi ato ewo over the counter medicine sellers any herbal shop to do na mu FDA agi edwadue nkratoi ato
Abusaka kraka bi wo hanu meja tom na rewu sebe wo me se abofra keto wanya 2 years akadai ba ku nti African Spider-Man bla me abofra keto yi mo na nipa ho hia dede bi koso no ti kame ho ne ko hwede wo mbia expectation ka African Spider-Man ba be se bo free ba preoccupy ne hu African Jack wo ba be se bo free na wo secret kura no anything
Imboost herbal mixture and only me secret.
Na dia na ye.
Na me yetua na ma nkeka e form. Ana police mi di wa dan say me say menye na me nson hwe. Na me so we no a boost immune system. Ama say me yetua nya me nte bre. Me timi di kama. Ama wo keka wo dum so ekoso.
Me kura so me dai yale ama mai latitude me nya ba ko.
Enye je na koso hwe.
Hey, Spider-Man, what are you going?
Mo fa me kura chen.
Ubenya Imboost herbal mixture ewo pharmacy anase herbal shops apimfo eni nkola omundi fie dumienu enom FDA agigede nkatoi ato
so wo pe wallpapers papa to OP wallpapers and American for amount so wo pe wallpapers dey decorative offices so fie and sorry say ye paps ahodo baby bia wo hia wallpaper dey do djuma bia no OP wallpapers efro ye ma wallpapers be match blind curtains e ba no bedside lamps nso a OP emal types or ma shapes colors out do nyina ubenya bi ato e wona so ye ho se open LED backlight e dey above flash screen echi a eno so OP e be mo bi se open self ring light out do phone be shem e OP wallpapers and e be ma self ring light OP e wo Kumasi adum first floor Nana Kwesi Agyeman building na mu tafo GNTC building first floor ana chronom or barrier on the market no edian hwe se open wholesale anase retail any OP any nsawo so free OP I was 0540-353750.
Mamishe time HH herbal Mr. Bina Unumi and your what dropa a ya draw a
yadro say mani peduan kwamwa no enya hoden na akotia yare entwen yare ansan wakwa koto fire wadro na nom no abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebedwaso no wono a and the time HH heba Mr. edia bedwaso akora wonyanya mfirisia dumienu enum bi wo pemfo ene oba wo ma akora nufuo enso enum bi time HH heba Mr. wo benya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so wo pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH Heba Mr. Eyadro say FDA adje edwadie nkratoe atum.
I'm saying that Ghana must not introduce free SHS on the whimsical promise of a desperate politician. Many mistakes have been made by countries in Africa already with free SHS.
Akufado, minya udeni, uyebwe. Baumia, minya udeni, uyebwe.
Hey, Mami Jemfwa, ne dena ma wani aje wi awe sei.
Minia, se me kaya dia free SHS ayama me ne me ma wo hu. Mami hu ne minya mpo. Esan dia na na do danko Akufado, eno Dr. Baumia ayenti. Se wo kaya bra, me kuna no hwe ye nyina efiri mu no.
Ane, me kai pa.
Na ni daso nyina sa. Se me de me mami ensa ni nyina be ko school. Ekosi se na na do danko Akufado ene Dr. Baumia edi free SHS ebaye. Sisi a me mami ensa, Kofi, Esi, ene Kojo, eni na ko school akese ni bi. Minia, na wonim de ya no mo eka. Omo so omo ba, omo de nsacha bebe mo. Ebi mo so omo ba omo be twam. Ebi mo so omo ba mbe ma ofo ni bi etua school fees ni bi.
Hey, omo pese omo yo made ni bi mo. Nti chese why na ntua? Na why kwa ni free? Omo pese omo ya, ye ni bi no. Esi nchen. Na mo side omo connection man. Ani protocol nsem yi. Say free SHS papa ya yemba yi koyo.
Enu ti na wo se boy ahumodin bia say. Ye bebo free SHS ho ban. Na ya no mamba mbe say ade papa. Na nado ene Dr. Baumia ede abrayen yi o.
Anya free SHS for ya na mama ne nkofo se anya possible yi.
Nanso se say de it is possible. Afiwe, ye tu abadi abo free SHS ho ban. Tu mama Dr. Baumia number 1 on the ballot.
Ashafo ye mama kwaba e de aba Alaska Star Enterprise. Alaska de said the munimo no ono na de wallpapers e ba ye ene what the different kinds of eniema abefom e wona so ye Christmas eniema ye de siesie dem any occasion bia ade bia wo pasiesie wo dem bia se bi te say blind curtains, center mats, sofa covers, material curtains, comforters any niema bia flowers ahodo wall clocks aye de siesie dem pe bia Alaska Star Enterprise. Yewa Kumasi Adum. Mrs. Anoche Plaza building eno ena ye first floor.
Alaska say yen control say wa bounty break. Never beje wallpapers are MFD and then the curtains. Aye blind curtains I want ho a chese oba quality and a wotono afa